and this year we are holding a fundraiser called Silent Gift Giving. Every year we do this gift giving and donate food to the Spring Grove Food Pantry. Donating is a good cause because people can get food where they cannot afford.
We are giving things we don't need to people who are in need.
Okay, mac and cheese, canned fruit items, cereal, soap, or towels, toothbrushes,
Cleaning wipes.
This is important because we need to put other kids before other people in the world before ourselves.
Thanks for joining 5 Points and helping our community.